In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to evenly space elements here in Canva. So I have these elements just here. Now what I'm about to share can be done with the elements here in Canva or your own graphics that you upload. Now to evenly space these is really simple, but first we want to select them all together. Now we can do this by left clicking on the mouse, dragging and selecting. Then we have all of these selected. Now from here, we simply want to click onto the three dots, come to space evenly, and then we can click on tidy up. Now we do have other options with vertically and horizontally as well, which you can play around with. But for this example, we're just going to click on tidy up just like that. And now these elements are evenly spaced. So that's just how simple it is to evenly space elements here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.